Hey misfits, Toni Craft here. It is back to school season, and for us that means back to uniform season. One thing that my kids complain about a lot, and if you have girls, they probably do too, is that nothing ever has pockets for girls' clothing, which us women also suffer from. So I wanted to show you how to add a pocket to a uniform. And it's a little bit like against the rules because it's not uniform-esque. So I'm gonna show you. So how this project started for me was that I found this this little pocket at a craft store for 20 cents. And I was like, surely I can do something with this for 20 cents. So I bought it and ended up stamping it using some fabric dye and colored it a little bit and then sewed it on. So it's still your standard uniform dress, but it looks way cooler and it has a functioning pocket. My youngest child often slips stuff into her dress because she doesn't have pockets and she thinks somehow that it's gonna stay there and then cries when she loses stuff. Let's give our kids some real pockets, huh? So I used some ABC stamps, which were clearly horrible stamps, but it ended up giving it sort of like a grungy look, which is kind of nice. And yeah, it was easy. It was a quick project. I would say in total, it maybe took half an hour. You could probably do that a lot faster if you did more than one at once, because you could, quickly do a bunch of them and then just sew them on. So anyways, this is a pre-made pocket, but you can pretty easily make your own pocket. You just make a pocket shape and sew it on. It's really simple. So before we get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, leave me a comment if you have anything to say, any comments, anything. I'd love to chat with you. And don't forget to tell your super rad friends to come and watch my channel. All right, let's get started. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed today's video making this awesome, custom, one-of-a-kind, uniform change, uniform edition, giving females pockets. Females need pockets. So I post every Thursday and Saturday, so please stick around and I will see you again soon.